Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Auto Amateur. In this episode, we're taking a little bit of a break from the 996 and we're going back to the turbo that I've been working on with my friend Chris. Let's go check it out.
So, carbon fiber, James's two words here. You know, he's not on camera right now because he's already wet himself and doesn't want to. So, this is my 2016 911 Turbo. I think last time James and I shot some filming on this car, I think I got it last year. I mean, there's been some definite changes to, for sure, the exterior of the car. Early over the winter, during while it was sitting out, I ended up having the wheels powder coated. So I took the OEM 911 Turbo 2 wheels and ended up getting them in high gloss black, powder coated through a local powder coating company, Jacobson's. He did a phenomenal job on them, and they just bring the car to life. I mean, I love the look of now the full black Turbo 2 wheels. We just got the car back yesterday from Print Labs, and I've added some carbon fiber stripes to the vehicle. And so, and a little bit of, I know James and I were talking, and kind of the reason why I did these stripes and this particular pattern and design is I've always been a huge fan of the exclusive series, the 911. I've had the 911 Turbo S exclusive, and I've had an opportunity to drive one. I've had a couple of them in the Porsche Minneapolis. I mean, it's such a phenomenal car, and I love all of it. And so this is just kind of a little bit of a homage to the exclusive series, and kind of trying to just make the car look a little bit of my own. And so I've added the two exclusive racing stripes to the hood and roof to kind of mimic the exclusive series. They also wrapped my side skirts, so and those just turned out phenomenal. We couldn't do the whole wing, but we just did a partial over the top, which I think just looks really nice. I think maybe at one point in time, it might be a total wing replacement and just do so it's all carbon fiber. And then I've replaced the badging as well on the car. So I went from everything kind of being little silver pieces on the standard 991.1 turbo. I've replaced all the the washer caps, the badging, and then also replaced the silver exhaust tips. So those were originally in silver. They looked really gnarly when I first got the car. Tried cleaning them up. They still didn't quite look to the way I wanted them to look. So I ended up taking them to Jacobson powder coating and did them in high gloss black to kind of match the entire car. So, and then lastly, they did add a little bit of a trim, carbon fiber trim piece to just the mirrors, just to get a little bit of an accent. So they added just a little bit of a nice little trim piece there. So, and then lastly, not to, throw money away, but I did add an exclusive gas cap to the vehicle as well.
That's the money.
That's the money shot right there. So,
and that's not just the regular chrome gas cap.
It's the exclusive one. So, as far as future mods, like I said, for the exterior, I think I, for the most part, have the car exactly the way I wanted. I mean, if money was no object, I think, again, spend some money, buy the full carbon fiber wing. I do want to get something for the side skirts, or the air intake, to match the rest of the car. So probably we'll be ordering those from Suncoast at some point in time, just to kind of match everything. And then probably maybe next winter start focusing on the rest of the car, and that's going to be the interior. Replacing all the silver trim in the inside to carbon fiber. Doing probably maybe deviated seat belts in red. This was a really nice spec car when I got it, so it's got the red. It already has the red dials, red sport chrono. So it's just a little bit, again, just making the car my own. And just if I had built this car back in 6 years ago, this is how I would have spec'd it out. So just again making those subtle little changes.
So that's it for now. Check in, more videos coming soon. I've got some more Project Turbo videos coming up with my friend Chris, and I'm going to be talking about what my next 911 is going to be, hopefully a little later this year. Stay tuned, take care, get out and drive. Bye.